Greetings, this is Robin's Book Club, episode 47, and I absolutely love Andreas Feininger, and this episode is all about nature close-up, subtitled A Fantastic Journey into Reality, which, when you look at the photographs, it's kind of the perfect title for this body of work, because what we're seeing is not exactly macro, it's not exactly close-up, it's not exactly straight-ahead photography, it's something else. And let me explain from the foreword. He explains about this work. The mind can be said to operate on many levels. Some people never rise above the drudgeries of daily life, whereas other people have, a bigger concept of how things are. He puts this down to imagination. Imagination is the power to form mental images of something not actually experienced, of reaching out into the unknown and coming back with visions, of drawing conclusions, combining different and sometimes seemingly unrelated observations, and coming up with concepts that are greater than the sum of their parts. Imagination is like a ladder in the realm of thought. Step by step, it can take the mind higher and higher from one image or concept to another. Set in motion at the bottom rung by a casual observation and rewarding us at the summit with an insight that encompasses vast realms like the view from a mountain. Feininger is an amazing writer about photographer and, without doubt, an amazing photographer. I will at the end of this video talk a little bit about the BBC Masters of Photography thing, and I'll link it in the description below. I'll also link a couple of affiliate links if you want to pick up this book. It was actually published before I was born. This book is old, and as you can see from my copy is about to fall apart at any time. I probably picked this up cheap at secondhand on eBay or something like that, and as you can see, it's a former library book, and probably a few more decent turns of pages and the whole thing will be in pieces. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do about that, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Feininger does say that the captions for this book are particularly important because things are quite abstract, let's put it that way. So if you find yourself really kind of pondering about a particular photo, then of course, pause it and stop and read the caption and really think about what he's doing. And I just think, although I will probably never make photography like this, goodness me, isn't it exciting? Andreas Feininger, Nature Close-Up, a fantastic journey into reality. 96 photographs, minds blown all across the world as we take in what he's done there. I really cannot recommend highly enough the BBC Masters of Photography documentary series. I will link the episode about Feininger below. As you can see from this sort of frame grab, this still from that, you might remember that actual picture being in this book, this body of work. And it's just fascinating to hear him talk about his photography and explain how he does what he does. A true master of photography. As I say, link to that video below and a link to an affiliate link as well. And we'll have some more Feininger, maybe next time, maybe the time after. Not quite sure yet.